Make one left English style. Using your left needle, grab the strand that is connected to the stitches on your left and right needle, placing your left needle to grab that strand from the front to the back, and knit that stitch through the back leg. Continental style. Again, you're using that left needle to grab that strand that's going between the stitches that are attached on your left needle and your right needle. The left needle will be picking up that strand from the front to the back, and then you will knit that strand through the back leg. The result of the make one left is you will have a nearly invisible increase of stitches that are leaning to the left.